Scott with Volkswagen of Naples. Welcome to another edition of Tech Tuesdays. Today, we're going to be talking about remote start. Now, one thing that makes remote start fantastic is how many times have you walked out to your car in the middle of summer to open the door to be blasted by a wave of heat? Now you've got to wait for your car cabin to cool off for enough time for you to get in, to start the vehicle, and allow the AC to start working. With remote start, you can forego all of that by starting it ahead of time, opening up the car, getting in, and going in a comfortable temperature. To activate the remote start, you're going to hit the lock button twice, and then you're going to hit the start button twice. Twice. 1, 2. Now your vehicle started up, the AC system is running, allowing the temperature in the cabin to become comfortable. Thanks for tuning in to another Tech Tuesday where we've covered remote start. Now, if there's anything you'd like to see us cover on Tech Tuesday, leave a comment below or send us a message and we'll be sure to cover it for you.